Hey everyone, welcome back to Learning Traits. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Today, we're exploring into the world of Logies Part 3. Astronomy, the study of celestial objects, space, and the universe as a whole. Example: an astronomer might observe stars and planets to understand their formation and behavior. Hematology, the study of blood and blood disorders. Example: a hematologist might research conditions like anemia or leukemia and develop treatments for these blood-related diseases. Nephrology, the study of the kidneys and their functions, diseases, and treatments. Example: a nephrologist might diagnose and treat conditions such as chronic kidney disease or kidney stones. Oncology, the study and treatment of cancer. Example: an oncologist might develop and administer chemotherapy treatments or explore new therapies for various types of cancer. Cardiology, the study of the heart and cardiovascular system. Example: a cardiologist might evaluate heart health through tests and recommend treatments for conditions like heart disease or hypertension. Ophthalmology, the study of the eyes and vision. Example: an ophthalmologist might perform eye surgeries or prescribe corrective lenses to treat vision problems. Paleontology, the study of ancient life through fossils. Example: our paleontologist might excavate dinosaur bones to understand prehistoric ecosystems and species. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning.